Most enterprises bought AI. Few built the operating system to run it.
Most enterprise AI conversations will start with the demo. Can the model answer? Can the agent complete the task? Can it cut cost? Those questions matter, but they are not what separates the companies pulling ahead with AI from the ones stuck in pilots. The leaders figured out something quieter. AI only compounds into advantage when it runs on an operating system, a control layer that makes it trusted enough to adopt, productive enough to scale, and efficient enough to keep. Without that layer, you don't have an AI strategy. You have AI spend.
And an AI operating system does three things at once. It earns trust so customers actually adopt what you built. And adoption is where it empowers people so employees move faster with confidence instead of caution. And it controls cost, so spend is governed in real time, not discovered in the invoice. Underneath all three sits one shared substrate, the operating evidence. What AI you run, who owns it, how it's controlled, what it costs, and what happens when it fails. That substrate is what makes the advantage real and repeatable.
Trust in people start with the customer. People adopt AI they trust. They trust AI that is governed, which is explained, controlled, and accountable. Trust is not a compliance checkbox. It is the precondition for adoption, and adoption is the precondition for ROI. Now the employee. Teams move fast when they know the guardrails. The operating system tells them what's approved, what's monitored, where humans decide. That confidence is productivity. This is why governance done right doesn't slow down AI. It is what lets you safely speed it up.
The third engine is cost. Agentic AI spends money autonomously. Without controls, cost is a surprise. With them, cost is a dial. Per agent budgets, model selection rules, RI gates, and a circuit breaker when spend spikes. And notice one screen. This is not a policy memo. It is an operating model. Cost layer, architecture, a 90-day path. The advantage is built, documented, and run.
Agentic Enterprise Governance and Intelligence Standard, AEGIS. The name says governance, but what it actually is, it is the operating system for enterprise AI with 7 pillars. That's a mental model. Governance architecture, AI system inventory, risk and impact assessment, controls and human oversight, transparency and rights, monitoring and response, regulatory intelligence. Run them well, and 3 things happen on their own. Customers trust your AI, employees got faster, and costs stay in control. Regulatory readiness, that comes free. It's a side effect of running the system, never the reason to build it.
This is why an operating system compounds. One registry drives adoption, rationalizes platform spend, and gives security its oversight. One bias audit produces fair outcomes, shows customers what happened, and attributes cost to the dollar. Each artifact does business work first. The compliance value comes along for the ride. That is the difference between a cost center and an advantage engine.
So as we start the series for the first AEGIS field note, I'd like to ask, where is your AI leaking most value right now? Customer trust and adoption, employee productivity, cost control, or the visibility to even know? Comment with the one that's costing you most. We will use your answers to shape the practical implementations episode. So the executive question is not, are we compliant? It is sharper. It is our AI compounding into advantage or leaking value? Are customers adopting it or hesitating because they don't trust it? Are employees faster or working around it? Is cost a dial we control or a number we discover? And if any of that broke tomorrow, would you even see it? If the picture is unclear, the move is not more pilots. It is put an operating system under the AI you already have.